Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I took some pretty cool portraits in my backyard shed. I wanted to do this photo shoot for quite some time now. Some of you guys might be familiar with this studio garage setup, garage lighting, or indirect lighting. So the way it works is that we have this shed that's very dark inside. There's no windows here, and the only light source we're having is all of the natural light that's pouring in from the outside. And if I'm standing right on the edge of the open door, I'm gonna get this beautiful light that's very soft. It's also reflecting off multiple surfaces from the outside. It's reflecting off the ground, it's reflecting off of the doors that I have outside here. So it's creating this beautiful catch light and very beautiful soft light with kind of a contrasting darker background. Another thing that's cool is that we're having these walls that are on the side, on both sides of me, and it's going to create some really cool shadows on the sides of my face, but then again keep most of the light kind of going straight on. This is kind of a setup that they do in the studios a lot, where they put two flats on each side of the model and then have one big light pouring in. Pretty classic setup, and you can replicate a very similar kind of light with no money. You can use literally just your old shed in the backyard. You can use a garage door. You can even if you don't have a shed or a garage, you can literally just open the door to your house and make sure that it's pretty dark inside with like the windows closed, and you're gonna have a similar kind of lighting setup. All right, let's stop with the talking and let's get to the shooting and the setup of the photo shoot itself. Here are a few of the inspo pictures from Pinterest for this photo shoot. I wanted to go for a very classic look, messy hair, a glowy skin, a lot of blush, very natural looking. My sister Orisa is going to be modeling for us today, and I did her makeup and hair myself just because it was very, very simple to do. The dress that Orisa is wearing is actually a DIY project of mine. It was super easy to make. All I did was cut long rectangular pieces of tulle, and then I gathered it in my sewing machine and then attached it onto one of the nightgowns that I had. The color was exactly the same as the tulle, so it worked super perfectly for this. So first I tried out this dark blue and purple kind of backdrop, but it turned out to be a little bit too dark and I was losing a lot of her hair texture in it. So we decided to change it for a lighter one. This one is kind of peachy, yellow, pinky tones, and it worked out actually quite beautifully. Both of the backdrops are from Kate Backdrops. I will leave the link to them in the description down below. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't get anything. It's not an affiliate code, but if you guys are interested in them, you can check them out. I also decided to bring up a reflector for this photo shoot to bring even more light onto the model, make her skin even more glowy, and give me some more interesting catch light in her eyes. Since I didn't have any assistants for this photo shoot, I propped the reflector on Orisa's knees and the other side on my two-step ladder. I love that, Orisa. Yeah, stay like this, do not move. And you're kind of doing this. Yeah, that's better. That's beautiful. I feel like you were doing a little bit of this. Like really, yeah. That's better. Chin down just a little bit more.
Chin down?
Down. Yes, like this. Yeah, go even more with your shoulder like that. Yeah. Maybe let's add some of these into the mix. Yeah, that looked really nice. Oh my god, yes. Ooh, don't move. It's definitely gonna rain. Do you hear the thunder? I feel like I just need to grab as many pictures as I can right now before it starts to rain. Yes, that's. Go even more with the shoulder, just a little bit. Maybe not as much. The flower on the other side. And let's give you a different one. This one is more squished or something. Maybe just grab this whole little thingy together. Yeah. And go with this shoulder kind of a little bit more.
This one or this?
This one. Yeah. And look at me, guys. Ooh, that's beautiful right there. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it. Just stay. This needs to go a little bit more floofy. Alright, and it's ready to roll. Okay, let's shoot some film. So, whenever I shoot film, I always check. I kind of use my digital camera as the light meter. So I'm gonna set it up for f2, ISO 400, and see what shutter speed I can use. Okay, so actually, because it's so bright, I have to shoot at 2.8, but it's fine. I like shooting at 2.8 as well. So 2.8 thousand for shutter speed, and yeah, okay.
Do you want the flowers?
Yes. You continue posing for me so I can catch what I like. Yeah, actually keep that and just eyes at me. Yeah, and just, yeah, the flower a little bit lower. 1, 2, 3. No, eyes down. You know what? Stay like that. That's gonna look amazing on film. You looking down like that. I kind of want more of this though. Maybe just a little bit higher on one side. Yeah.
It just like it doesn't stay.
I know. Just have it like this. And you know what? It would be nice to kind of have this almost like covering you. Maybe like this. You know what I mean? And you kind of, yeah. Oh yeah, and actually eyes at me here. Yes. Drop the flowers. And you know what? Instead of the flower, we're gonna give you this one. Just gonna hold it like close to your face. Yeah. And maybe a little bit more like this way so I can see like the flower. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Even more so kind of like this. Yeah. Oh my god. Camera almost slipped out of my hand. Okay, and eyes at me. Okay, put it closer to your face, the flower. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Stay like that because I want to take this on digital as well. You know what? Let's do some from your back. So turn around more with your back. Because the back is, ooh, and this, oh my god, why didn't we do this earlier? Okay, can this, hell yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so gorgeous. The only thing is that from this side, it's hard to see all of the little hairs that I pulled out. So let me just kind of pull more hairs and make it a little bit more kind of crazy. Don't cover your face too much with that over there, yeah. Yeah, yeah. That's perfect, it is. Actually, keep your hand where you had over there because I want to see it, yeah. Go even more with your back, like this, yes. What if you drop this shoulder down just a little bit more? Yeah, and hold it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, can you keep it? Yeah, keep it like this. Yes. That's beautiful. Oh my god, on film? Are you kidding me? 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Think of stars, sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hills.
1, 2, 3.
And I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no
Actually, pull it just like a little bit, kind of like this. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I know that it doesn't really stay. It just has to kind of like. Yeah. Ooh. And your eyes at me. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Holy moly. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Grab this. 1, 2, 3. No, I kind of want to get that shot where it's like you're out of focus and it's focused like either on the flower or your earring, kind of. You know what I mean? Like that, like more artistic. Oh, yeah, maybe that's better. Yeah, that's really good. You have to part your lips, I think. Yeah, there it is. 1, 2, 3.
standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights.
This can go on this chair to cover the chair. Yeah. And maybe I can go just a little bit higher, see what that looks like. Also, we still haven't shot the whole roll, so I need to finish the roll. Ooh. Okay.
Standing on the dizzying heights.
1, 2. Kind of want to see the other hand as well. Or, yeah, that's better. Do I go higher? Yeah. Just. And actually no, eyes down. Or just even at me a little bit more. Like, you know, at me. 1, 2, 3. Can you do the same pose? What did you have? I don't even remember. And I was a little bit higher. It just like the dress and everything just blended into nothingness, and it's just so pretty. You know what? I think it's the 50. Let me just switch to the 50 for the last few shots, because we're pretty much done. Just get some variety in there. Looked really nice on film, but the thing with film is that it has a different. No, go more like that, like you had. Yeah. Grab this in your hand. Yeah. This thing. No, not this one then. Let's grab this. Okay, yeah. What if you kind of go, you know, like this, and you hold those flowers in that hand? Is that, yeah. I think it's covering a little bit too much. One, 2, 3. Okay, we're done with film, so just a few more on digital and I think we're done. I just can't stop shooting, it just looks so pretty. Amazing. Oh, do not move. Do not move.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really.
And go a little bit more kind of like this. I think it's raining.
I think so.
It's raining. It's raining. Okay, let's pack up. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have more photo shoots from the shed coming very soon. Don't forget to check out my sister Orestes. She is actually an amazing artist. Check out her Etsy where you can buy some of her paintings, or you can also commission her to paint whatever you want for you. All links will be in the description down below as usual, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!